What's up, everybody? Today we're checking out this drone right here. This is a Syma X20 Pocket. Reason I picked this thing up, it's super cold outside. I want to fly my big drones, but I don't want to mess them up. I don't want to crash them. I don't want to do any of that nonsense. So I picked up a cheaper drone that I can fly indoors, no problem, and not have to worry about it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, drones are really cool. They're really fun to fly, and you can also make money on them. So the more practice you get, the better you're going to get at the controls. So being able to have a drone like this is going to increase your skill, and you know, the smaller drones are a little bit harder to control than the larger drones. But once you get this is what's gonna all come with it. I got this off of Amazon for around 20 bucks, give or take. There's some offers that are below, some that are above. I just happened to get the more expensive one, but this one looks really nice. I've already flown it once. I got this charged up so we could check it out. But what it comes with is the user's manual. You get some extra props. You get a charging cable, and this is gonna work just like an Android charging cable. You can use a wall plug for it too as well. The drone's gonna come in here zip tied, just break it out of there. There's your controller, and once you get the controller, just open it up with the screwdriver that comes with it, and you're gonna want 4 AA battery or AAA batteries, 4 AAA batteries to install in there. So let's go ahead and rip this sucker up. I've already got it charged. It takes about, they say, 50 minutes to charge, and this is an internal battery, so you just plug it right into the back of the drone, charge it for about 50 minutes, and you're good to go. And you're going to get about 5 hours of flight time out of that. And some other things to note, it comes with prop guards already installed, and I've already flown this before, and I've got hung up close to a wall, and it didn't even interfere with my props. So another thing you're going to want to do when you first get it, and any drone, even if you're a beginner, is try to stabilize the drone. That's going to be your first thing that you're going to want to do. And you can actually do what's called trim, and on this drone you're going to press the A button, which is right here, hold it, and then whatever way your drone is going, like say it's you lift up on the throttle and you bring it up in the air and it's drifting forward, hold A and tap back until you can kind of stabilize it. Or if it's drifting to the side, counteract it with the other side while holding A, and you're gonna trim the drone. So let's go ahead and take this sucker off and show you guys how easy it is to fly inside. I'm gonna fly it right up in front of the camera so you guys can see. So what you want to do, just push and hold the power button on the drone, let go when it turns on. So keep an eye. Oh, one of my red LED lights on the front is going bad, but your red's going to be your front and your green's going to be your back. When it's flashing, it's not hooked up to the controller yet. So what you want to do is turn on the controller, and there are a couple different ways that you can sync it up to the drone, but one way I like to use is just push up and down on the left pad, and it'll go solid, so then you know that you're hooked up to the drone. And then what you want to do to start the motors is just push up, and then your drone's ready to go. So let's go ahead and fly this thing, and let's see how this works. Now this one's actually got an auto hold, so some of the smaller drones that you pick up, they'll have your throttle on the left, and when you push up and down, it's going to give your motor some juice and take away from this. This is going to go up or down just like you want it to. As you can see, I got it hovering real nice. Let's get a nice close-up in front of the camera. I don't know if I got it completely trimmed out, but I'm literally like a foot away from the camera right now. Ooh, I almost hit it. See, I'm just right in the front of my computer screen and it's not even messing up. Check it out. That's what's cool about the prop guards. So watch, I'll go right into my hand and I'm not even gonna mess it up. So yeah, you're gonna get about 5 minutes out of this thing. My cat loves it. He loves playing around with it. It also has a headless mode. I haven't played around with it yet, but what I believe is no matter which way you're facing, your orientation to the drone, if you go that way, it's going to go that way. But I'll have a video coming out soon on just the basic controls on this, more in depth, but I'm just flying it around for fun right now, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I'm literally flying this thing in a very tight vicinity. Running into stuff, no problem. The prop guards are doing its job. So let's go ahead. You can actually land it in your hand if you wanted to. Just hold down and you're good to go. But like I said, it's going to be about 5 minutes. It's not going to feel like 5 minutes because you're going to have a really fun time and you're going to want to charge it again and do it again. But that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, this drone is pretty awesome for the price. I think it's really cool. You also have these speed modes on the left portion of the controller, and that'll enable you to go a little bit faster or slower. I would suggest using the slower speed while you're inside so you can get a better control over the drone, because the first thing you want to do is just get control over your drone. And it just wants to go up for some reason. There it goes. And that's something you're going to do when you first get the drone. You're going to crash it. You're going to crash the drone when you first get it, guaranteed. So I just crashed it a little bit, but check it out. It's going to start back up, no problem. Let's go ahead and see if we can level this thing out. It's drifting up. Still going. And that's what's going to happen when you first get it. Oh, just landed on the edge. But yeah, when you first get the drone, you're going to crash it. So, like I said, 20 bucks, can't go wrong with it. I'll have a more in-depth tutorial on how to fly it. I was kind of just winging it today. But yeah, check it out. 20 bucks for a micro. Can't beat it. Land. There you go. Oh, let's go ahead and get a weight on this thing, just so you guys know. FAA requires in the United States that if your drone is over 0.55 pounds, you have to have it registered. So let's go ahead and check out the weight on this thing in pounds. Do I have pounds? Here's pounds. So what's 1 ounce? 1.1 ounces. And 16 ounces is in a pound, so you're well under that. You don't have to register this. Another cool thing. And again, if you're flying indoors, you don't have to worry about any of that FAA stuff because you're in your own controlled airspace. So that's going to do it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone. I crashed it a few times, but like I said, you guys are going to crash it too. So why not get a drone that you're not going to be all worried about crashing? So that's going to be it for the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like it. I'll leave links in the description to the drone. And if you guys follow that link, that's going to help out my channel, so I appreciate it. Have a good one. Take it easy, guys, and happy earnings.